Hi guys, my name's Rob. I'm from Boston Ski and Tennis, and today we're going to talk a little bit about our in-home service unit, which brings ski rentals and ski tuning to your house at your convenience. So with the Boston Ski and Tennis mobile unit, we can also bring some accessories that you definitely will be needing this winter. For instance, for Maddie here, we have the helmet. Make sure they fit properly. Look up at me, turn around. Look at me again. Feel pretty good?
Yeah,
awesome.
Pretty good.